This video, you're going to learn how to install WordPress using cPanel in less than 5 minutes. Now click on the WordPress Toolkit tab. Of cPanel. Then go to click install. Here you have to choose which path you want to install this one. Click on education.dreamsacademy.com. Here you have to choose WordPress Essential. Here these are the additional plugins will be installed, or else I can install WordPress Classic. There I will be having Classic editor. Else we can install e-commerce pack, or you can install e-commerce pack with Jetpack. You can copy and note down this password. This is the admin password. Admin username. This will be the admin password. Then this database and other settings will be automatically updated. So click on the install. Here you're able to see what is installing, what is the process going on. WordPress has been installed. Okay. Now you have to click on install plugins. Here you can click which are the required plugins you want to install. So if you want to only install Jetpack, you can click on this one. So if you're having cPanel, then only able to install this one. Okay. Now Jetpack is installed. You can scroll down and see the list of plugins available for the WordPress. If you are interested to install, you can choose and install whatever the plugins you require. After completing, then you can go for, here you can able to see there are 1313 pages of plugins are available. So a lot of plugins are available according to your requirement. So install whatever you require, then you can go to the themes. It's taking some time to fetch the detail from the server. Here you see a list of plugins, themes available for the WordPress are here. So you can click on this one to install the Astra, which is being installed over 4+ million installations. education.dreamsacademy/wp admin. Click enter. So now you have to enter the username and password. To know more about web services, website designing, digital marketing, please subscribe to our channel Dreams Academy.